Honorable Onderi, you can put it at 1 off. Thank you. No, it's okay. It's working.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, for also giving me this opportunity to support this report from the Committee of Appointment as we plan to adopt it. Mr. Speaker, I have seen the two nominees and looking at everything that has been presented here by the committee, I feel that these two are very fit for this position, and they exhibit impressive knowledge of the positions they are being appointed for, Mr. Speaker. Mr. Speaker, I come from Nyaribari Masaba, and then I request this whole house to support Mr. Harold Mausa Unguso, because he also comes from my place. That's where I'm married, Mr. Speaker. And not because he comes from Nyaribari Masaba, Mr. Speaker, but also because I have seen how he has responded to the questions that he was asked by the committee, the questions that were put up upon him, especially the issue of the wage bill that is really affecting Kisii County, Mr. Speaker. And also Alfred Nyagoka, who the majority leader says is a Gen Z. I happen to remind the majority leader that Alfred is not the Gen Z, he's a millennial. I know there's a confusion between millennials and Gen Zs, but also I've seen Alfred has been in the county government since 2014, meaning he has vast knowledge about the county and about employment and all that. The most important thing, Mr. Speaker, these two, even as we approve this report, should go and do is work on the issue that is affecting Kisii County, and that is the issue of the wage bill. Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
Honorable Member for Bokimonge.